Today I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic dropdown to Jotform. This feature is incredibly useful when you need dropdown menus that update based on previous selections, making your forms more interactive and user-friendly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says plus create. Click on this button to begin the process of building a new form. This opens up the form creation menu where you can choose how you'd like to start. From the options that appear, click on form. This will present you with different ways to create your form. For our purposes, select start from scratch and then choose classic form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, which is perfect for adding custom elements like dynamic dropdowns. Alternatively, if you already have an existing form that you'd like to modify, you can simply select that form from your dashboard and click the Edit Form button to open it in the editor. Now that you're in the form editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find the Add Elements section. Click on it to reveal all the different types of elements you can add to your form. From this menu, click on Widgets. This is where Jotform houses its advanced features and third-party integrations. In the Widget section, you'll see a search field at the top. Type dynamic dropdowns into this search bar. Once the dynamic dropdown widget appears in the search results, you can either click on it to add it directly to your form, or you can drag it to your preferred location on the form. This flexibility allows you to position it exactly where it makes the most sense in your form's flow. After adding the dynamic dropdown widget to your form, you'll want to customize it to fit your specific needs. Look at the right panel, where you'll see various settings for the widget. Click on Values to begin editing the dropdown options. Here you can add, remove, or modify the values that will appear in your dropdown menu. You can also set up the dependencies that make the dropdown dynamic, meaning the options change based on what the user selects in a previous field. Once you've finished editing the values to your satisfaction, make sure to click Update to save your changes. Finally, don't forget this crucial step. At the top of the page, you'll see a Publish button. Click this to make your form live with the new dynamic dropdown feature. Without publishing, your changes won't be visible to anyone filling out the form. And that's it. You've successfully added a dynamic dropdown to your Jotform, making it more interactive and tailored to your specific data collection needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.